2009 Honda Odyssey. I'm going to show you guys what you need to, just a quick video of what you need to remove to get to that bank to catalytic converter. You need to lift up the car. Once you do that, you need to drain the antifreeze a little bit, not too much. See, there's the drain plug. Once you drain it, you got two brackets here holding the radiator and the condenser, which are those brackets. So you'll have a 10mm bolt, 1, 2, then you'll have one here holding it that's attached to that, 3 and 4. See, it looks like this. There's the 10mm bolt. Once you do that, you'll have you need to disconnect the upper radiator hose, so you'll have plenty of room to remove the radiator fan. Also, you need to take this off right here, disconnect that wiring harness. Then you'll have 1, 2, 3 10mm bolts. Put that aside like that. Once you do that, you'll have so this is your fan right here. So you'll have 1, 2, 3, 4 10mm bolts. Actually, before you do that, you need to take off the coolant reservoir. The coolant reservoir only has two 10mm bolts holding one here and one here. It sits right here. Take this off, take the two 10mm bolts holding the reservoir, and then it'll slide out. And then you can remove the fans. Disconnect this connector right here and disconnect that, which is this one and that one. On this one, you don't need to remove. You see, this is holding the radiator fan, 1 and 2. You don't have to take off that bolt all the way out. This one only has one right there. As you see the bottom of it, it's has an open end right here, so it just slides out. Once you take the radiator fans off, you have plenty of room to remove the 4 12mm bolts here for the catalytic converter. Remove the upstream sensor. Then if you go at the bottom, you'll have 1, 2, and on this side 3 nuts right here. I think they are 14. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 14 nut. And then this is connected to the EGR tube right here, right there. You'll have two 12mm nut. You can use a long 12mm socket and put the ratchet right here with an extension. That should reach the 2 nuts. And then you can remove that tube. But you're gonna also need to go up here and loosen those two, so you'll have plenty of room to move that around at the bottom. Yeah, so 414, yeah, it's 14 or 12. No, 4 12mm here. 1, 2, 3, 4, then at the bottom you'll have 14, 1, 2, 3, and then you see this bracket right here, you'll have a bolt holding that. That's another 12. Go ahead and take that off. Actually, I don't think you need to remove that, but I took it off anyway. Yeah, once you get everything cleared out of the way, go ahead and remove that plastic clip that's holding that front bumper. See this one? 1, 2. Then you can push this bumper out of the way a little bit. Pull the radiator back, and then this whole cat. It's gonna be a tight space here, but you should have plenty of room to take it off. Yeah, that's all you gotta do to remove that front catalytic converter. If this video helps you, please subscribe. If you got any questions, comment below. Thank you for watching.